Imagine waking up and feeling terrified. Nothing is wrong. You are perfectly safe. But your heart pounds like a predator is near. This feeling has a name. It's called modern anxiety. And your ancient brain is completely responsible. This is why you can't stop checking your phone. 8 billion people carry a Stone Age brain today. Your brain evolved to survive, not to be happy. Go back 300,000 years. Your ancestors lived in small groups of 50. Everyone knew your name. Everyone watched you. Being rejected meant dying, literally. So your brain built a social alarm system. Any sign of rejection triggered instant panic. That panic kept your ancestors alive for millennia. Then, about 12,000 years ago, everything shifted. Humans started farming, villages grew. Groups of 50 became groups of thousands. But the brain didn't update its operating system. It still thought strangers were threats. It still demanded status within the tribe. Losing status felt like losing survival itself. Fast forward. Cities reached millions of people. Your brain still processed it as a small tribe. Every unfamiliar face triggered a tiny stress response. Multiply that by 1 million interactions yearly. That's a stress load no ancient human ever faced. Now add the internet. 2 billion websites exist. Your ancestors processed information once a day. You process more before breakfast than they did yearly. This creates a phenomenon scientists call cognitive overload. The brain shuts down decisions. You feel paralyzed. Social media made this ancient brain even more confused. It shows you 5,000 strangers judging you daily. Remember, rejection once meant death. So 5,000 dislikes feels like 5,000 deaths. Your brain cannot tell the difference. Now consider sleep. Humans evolved sleeping in the wild. Natural darkness signaled the brain, rest now. Artificial light arrived just 150 years ago. Your brain still thinks glowing screens are sunrise. So you lie awake, biologically convinced it's daytime. Chronic sleep loss makes every emotion 50% worse. Fear, anger, sadness, all amplified by your ancient brain. The ancient brain runs on one rule: survive. Here's the twist. Survival is no longer the problem. Most humans today have food, shelter, and safety. Yet reported unhappiness has risen every single decade. We gave the ancient brain everything except what it needs. The ancient brain needs one thing above all else: real belonging, deep connection, to be truly known. Your ancient brain was never broken. It was never wrong. It was built for a world that no longer exists. The question was never, why am I struggling? The real question is, what does my ancient self need? You are not failing modern life. Modern life is failing you. Your brain is 300,000 years old, and it is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Somewhere tonight, a campfire would fix what therapy cannot. So tell me, scroll alone tonight or call someone real? If this made you think, drop a comment below and subscribe for more videos like this.